How to download Udemy app on laptop. So if you want to download Udemy app on your laptop, then what you need to do is first make sure that you have an internet connection. After that, you just need simply open up your browser. After opening your browser, you need to go with your search, and under search, you need to search for Udemy. After searching, you need to scroll down and then you'll find www.udemy.com, and here you need to translate that to English. Once you've translated, if you want to download this Udemy, then you just need simply scroll down and you may find a download option. But if you don't find a download option right here, then what you can do is you just need simply search for Play Store. And from the Play Store, now if you go with your search, then under search, you can search for Udemy. After searching, here you will have install button. You can just simply click on install and you'll be able to install it. But if you don't have the option of install, or if you're not being able to install it, then the other solution is you will need to have an emulator. So you can go with your BlueStacks and you can just simply go and download your BlueStacks emulator or any emulator that you're comfortable with. So here you will have the download option. Go and download it, and after downloading, you just need simply search for BlueStacks and it will open the BlueStacks application. So just wait for a few seconds. After opening your BlueStacks, you just need simply go with your search, and under search you can search for Udemy. And after searching, if you find the Udemy application, you can just click on install, and here you can go with search in Google Play, and then you'll be able to install. We'll have an install option. So in this way, you'll be able to install Udemy, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.